everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I want to tell you about something cultural that we have in Egypt. It's an ancient Egyptian feast called Sham el Nessim. How did we know that it's an ancient Egyptian? Because we saw on the walls of the temples that they depict people holding fish and spring onions and going in gardens, in big fields. And so we had this as a tradition since the ancient Egyptian times, that we still go in fields or gardens and gather with family and friends and eat salted fish, which is called renga. And we eat lupine plant. We eat also colored eggs, and this is usually the day after Easter. Today I'm going to show you one of the things we eat during Sham el Nessim, which is the lupine plant. Let's start. Here is the lupine plant. I soaked it for 4 days because it's bitter and you need to keep changing the water whenever you can. Then I added to it half a pound of chickpeas, and we usually eat them together. I will show you how it looks like. This is the lupine plant. The way to eat it is to peel it by pressing on it like this, and the peel goes off easily, as you see, and then it's easy to eat. It's for like entertainment or snack during the Sham el Nessim day. I'm going now to add 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin. Give it a mix. And I will bring this to a boil for 45 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. Here is a display of what we eat in Sham el Nessim. We usually go outside in parks or in your backyard. We eat smoked fish. I was able to find this in a European market. We add lemon on it, and we eat it with spring onions and pita bread. We also eat colored eggs, feta cheese, and then the lupine seeds. After we finish, we drink tea with mint, and we eat these wonderful cookies that you will see in the next episode. It's Egyptian cookies, butter cookies, called ghorayeba. I hope you enjoyed my episode today. Please let me know if you tried the lupine seeds or the smoked fish, and let me know in the comments below how it goes. And see you next time.